This button is in 40 million cars. Nobody knows what it does. Until now, 5 hidden buttons. 5 things your car can do that your dealer never told you about. One of them has been in your car this whole time, and you have used it exactly 0 times. We fed every single one of these into AI to find out why they exist, what they actually do, and why manufacturers buried them. Let's go. Feature number 1, the blank button. You know exactly what I'm talking about. It's sitting right there on your dashboard. No icon, no label, no explanation, just a button mocking you. You've pressed it, nothing happened. You pressed it again, still nothing. You decided it was broken and never thought about it again. Here's the truth. That blank button is not broken. It is not a mistake. It is a deliberate engineering decision called a space filler. And the reason it exists is genuinely fascinating. Car manufacturers build one dashboard platform and use it across multiple trim levels. The premium model gets heated seats, ventilated seats, a heads-up display, and a parking assist system. The base model gets none of that. But they're using the exact same dashboard. So instead of redesigning the entire dashboard for every trim level, which would cost millions, they just fill the empty slots with blank buttons. The wiring is already behind the panel. The connector is already there. That blank button on your base model? On the premium version of your exact car, it controls something real. Which means, in some cases, you can actually unlock that feature yourself. We will talk about that in a future episode. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Feature number 2. And this one works on most cars built after 2005. Go try this the second this video ends. Hold your key fob's unlock button for 3 seconds. Just hold it. On most modern vehicles, all 4 windows will roll down automatically. No key in the ignition. Engine off. Just the fob. Now, hold the lock button for 3 seconds. Windows go back up. I asked AI to pull the list of manufacturers that support this feature. Honda, Toyota, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Volkswagen, Chevrolet, Ford, Dodge. The list goes on. The reason this exists is actually practical. You get back to a car that's been sitting in a parking lot in July in Tennessee. It's 110 degrees inside. You roll the windows down from 30 feet away before you even open the door. By the time you get in the car, it's already started venting. Chrysler calls it remote window operation. BMW calls it the comfort access feature. Most manufacturers don't call it anything. They just quietly put it in the manual on page 247 where nobody will ever read it. Your car has been able to do this the whole time. You're welcome. Feature number 3. This one is not a party trick. This one actually matters. Open your passenger side sun visor, or check the edge of your glove box, or the side of your dashboard near the passenger door. On most vehicles, there is a small keyhole switch labeled, if you can find it at all, ACO, airbag cut off, or sometimes just a symbol of a person with an X through it. This switch disables the front passenger airbag entirely. Why would you ever want to do that? Rear-facing infant car seats. If a rear-facing seat is installed in the front passenger position and the airbag deploys, even in a minor collision, it can seriously injure or kill a child. The force of an airbag deploying is designed for an adult, not an infant. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration required this switch to be available on vehicles that don't have a rear seat. 2-seater sports cars, work trucks, that kind of thing. It also ended up on a lot of family vehicles as a precaution. Most people have never noticed it. Some people have accidentally activated it, meaning their passenger airbag has been off for months without them knowing. Go check yours right now. If that switch is in the off position and you didn't put it there, turn it back on. Feature number 4, valet mode. And almost nobody uses this, even though it is one of the most useful things your car can do. Here's the scenario. You hand your keys to a valet, or a mechanic, or your teenager. You would really like them to not go through your glove box, not access your home address saved in the GPS, and not take the car on the highway. Valet mode locks all of that down. Tesla's valet mode is the most well-known. It limits top speed to 70 miles per hour, locks the glove box, and disables the front trunk. But Tesla isn't alone. BMW has it. Porsche has it. Cadillac has it built into their app. Ford's MyKey system does the same thing and has been standard equipment since 2010, meaning if you own a Ford from the last 14 years, you have a full parental control and valet restriction system. MyKey can limit top speed, cap the radio volume, require seatbelts before the audio turns on, and disable the ability to turn off certain safety features. If you have a teenager and a Ford, your life just changed. And feature number 5. I saved this one for last because when I found this, I genuinely sat back and stared at the ceiling for a minute. This feature is in millions of cars. It is activated by a specific button sequence. Most owners will never discover it in their lifetime. It is called the dealer mode, or the engineering menu, or the hidden diagnostic screen. It has different names on different brands, but the function is the same. It is a secret menu built into your car's infotainment system that was designed for dealership technicians and engineers. It shows you live data your car is collecting in real time, GPS coordinates, voltage readings, cell network signal strength, camera calibration data, system error logs. Your dashboard warning lights never showed you. I asked AI to find the access sequences for the most common brands. Here's what came back: Toyota and Lexus. On many models, hold the power button on the audio system while pressing a specific corner of the touchscreen. A hidden service menu appears, showing GPS status, Bluetooth diagnostics, and software version data. Chevrolet and GMC. With the engine running, press and hold the home button on the infotainment screen for approximately 10 seconds. On some models, a full dealer diagnostic interface appears. BMW. Press the menu button, then navigate to a specific settings path that isn't listed in the owner's manual at all. Now, important note: these menus are read only on most vehicles. You can see the data. You cannot change anything that would damage your car, but what you see might surprise you. Some owners have found GPS coordinates being logged. Some have found error codes for problems their car never told them about. Some have found software features listed as installed but locked. Features they paid extra for that were already on the car the whole time. Your car knows a lot more than it tells you. And now, you have a way to ask. 5 hidden buttons. 5 things your car has been doing or could be doing this whole time.